So for that you have to open the task manager. So you have to right click on Windows and you have to select task manager, or you can simply press Ctrl Shift Escape on your keyboard. So I'm gonna open the task manager. In here you will find the performance tab. You have to click on that. Once you have clicked on that, you will find all the some basic devices information like your CPU, memory, your storage devices, etc. So for checking if your computer if the available storages on your computer is HDD or SSD, you have to click on that storage device. So I'm gonna click on this C drive. In here it will show you that it is like SSD or HDD under here, under the storage name. So you can see the C drive is SSD for me and the D drive is HDD for me. It will show in the, if you click on it, it will show in the type option here as well. As you can see, when I click on C drive, it is showing me that it is an SSD in the type option, but for D drive it is showing HDD here, and in the type it is showing HDD as well. So that's how you can check if your computer storage devices are HDD or SSD. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe. And also thank you very much for watching this video.